OG back on the screen. Drop a light. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to shoot like you have a Zen in NBA 2K24. Okay, peaks, all that. We're going to give you guys the gems and we're going to break it down. Make sure you're paying attention. I feel like if you want to get to like a different level of being a little bit better than the average player that you play against on 2K, or just having more scoring power, you want to learn how to shoot like this. Now the first clip, we're going to look at it, and yes, we have heat check, but I also want you guys to really remember that heat check is still a shot that can be blocked and it still can be missed. So it's just like you're finding the right timing point and making sure you're in the right window. Also, heat check is something that you can build up to. You can shoot 2 layups and get your heat check, and then that can get you closer to getting your takeover, and then once you have takeover, you can take over even more. So let's watch this first clip. You're gonna see I get the ball, I come to the left, I start to do my size up rhythm dribble right here, and I always tell people, like, so smooth. This is a size up where I'm just standing still, but I'm putting it between my legs. I always tell people, some people are antsy on defense, they're not good defenders, and when you're dribbling the ball like this, they really don't know what you're gonna do if you're really dribbling like in the IRL realistic basketball play style like how I do. Like, you really like out there, like they really not gonna know what to do unless it's like a pair lock. And I know, like, and he does look like he got the steal, but I still just know the right time when to do certain moves, you know what I mean? I feel like this just throws him off right here, which it does. You see he comes behind me. I don't know what he was planning to do right there by coming behind me. I don't know what he thought I was gonna do, so the move I think just made him go in the wrong direction, period. And you see I get him right on my heel, like right on the back of me, shot, bow. And look at this look at this percent, 48 contested coverage. Now on his end, he doesn't know I have heat check, so he could think it's a Zen because of the way I shot it, but people have to realize and remember this, that heat check is also in the game. But some people just shoot this type of shot every single time, but you still can shoot this shot with takeover and heat check. Okay, you can get the same thing and above a 93 3 ball. My Steph Curry has 94 3 ball in this build, so that's another take with this, right? And you can still do it with an 86, but you just have to have the skill because it all comes down to the timing. Once you get right here, listen, we're gonna pause, watch this. You see how I got him on my heel, and then right once I got him right here, I stop and I let go of everything. And you see my player like Steph Curry, this is my Steph Curry build, he does that little stop animation, and look, I instantly pull. This is 2K's new system. You look at the screenshot, he's right there near me, so in real life reality, yes, that can cause somebody to be like, oh snap, somebody's right there, and it could throw your shot off. So 2K adds that kind of, this is why they have it now to where you state a player can be next to you and there'll still be a contest. He didn't even jump right here. This is just an auto contest. So this is the game doing this for him when he even put his hand up right there and it gave him that percentage. But we still get an excellent sheesh. And the craziest thing is that I'm breaking down this video, giving you guys gems, and I don't have a Zen. Like, everybody knows OG. I don't use no Zen. So I'm showing you the gaps when to shoot a certain shot like that. That's a tough 3 ball, and to shoot that, it's either you have takeover or you get them on a crab and you shoot faster. This shot, like, right, like, look when I shoot it, boom. This shot right here, it's like his auto contest went off exactly when I shot, so he, like, it went exactly off, and then it made him go out that way. But if you look at the contest, you can see why I got the shot off, right? Boom, bang, the first green, knock it. I want to get into another aspect of showing you guys how to shoot like you have a Zen. Shoot shots where it looks like it's crazy contested, but it's not. I'm still working on practicing, getting myself into that groove with this new 2K system of shooting certain shots and just letting it fly because you're open. Watch. I get the ball over here in the corner, and I'm working out in the corner behind the back. Little dribble. You see that? And right here, this is what I be talking about. Like, 2K needs to change animations like this. I get it. I may be tired, and I get it. My build may not have all the first quick sets, but they can make us have better launching animations. And look how JT looks right now. You see how I pushed off right there? It makes me look like I'm a robot, but in real reality, I'm actually doing that move just to go by him a little bit, just to cut him back and hit him with what I'm about to show y'all right now. Boom, hop step, bang, wide open. You see the difference now? Let's go into this. What makes this one wide open? Or like, gotta get into deep detail. The game has so many different aspects to it. Some players can have their defensive assist strength higher, and that's what makes people auto contest more, even if they don't want to. And it could be good and bad at sometimes, but it could just help players that's really bad at pressing the Y button and actually contesting, or putting that right stick up at the right time to contest and moving up at the right time, right? So I hate that they had that little move, you know. And I can speed boost with JT, but I just hate how when I'm trying to do a light just dribble around somebody, they don't make it look like just more nice. Hopefully in the next 2Ks we can get it like that, and it'll make the gameplay look better, right? But still, we hit him with a little combo, come back, boom. Now look at this. What did I tell you guys? Auto contest. Look at his body. You see, I'm already at the point where I'm timing my shot. In the game reality, like when I'm on the game and when I was playing and doing this, I already timed my shot. I'm already at the point where I'm timing my shot. He hasn't contested yet. You see, when he does contest, it's an auto contest. Like, look how his hand flicks up. Look, you see that little flick up? That's an auto contest. And then it goes back, that's an auto contest. Game is doing that. So you have to learn how to shoot these shots in these gaps when you know that players are only available to an auto contest. I already hit the step back. Look at this. Look when I shoot it. Look when I actually shoot it. The ball is gone. There's nothing that's really affecting my shot on his end but my timing. My own timing. The ball's already gone. Beautiful sequence in a move. Space creator shot. It's stronger than a regular jump shot. Some people may not think that because the space creating time is just a tad bit little different, but if you can line the moves up and do them properly on timing and learn the timing of whatever space creator or hop jumper that you use, cash money. Cash money. And then to a corner specialist, yeah, I gotta understand, that's what I'm all getting right there. Corner specialist, great machine, like space creator. Come on. Open looks because I was wide open. Y'all understand this? Bow. Open looks. Look, I'm wide open. Open looks. So all those badges chaining together just because I make that one move to get that one little gap of that window that I tell people is there, and you have to see it. When the players just hand down, lazy D, and not really up in your grill and putting the hand up and jumping the contestant on, you got to shoot those and don't even think about it. Now here is one of my favorites of them all, because I've recently just been starting to shoot crazy stuff in 24. I don't know why, like in the middle, but it just been starting to. You just undiscover new things when you hooping, right? Now let's go. You see I catch the ball, I'm on my Luka build. So I showed you 3 different builds. Curry, 93 ball. JT, he has a 85 3 ball, and Luka 86 3 ball. Okay, now let's watch. You see I come here, I come under the paint, and I'm leaking out to this corner. Boom. No takeover, no heat check, no nada. Alright, this the corner specialist and the badges. Look at the body position of the player. Right? Watch this. Let's watch the full clip. Let me go back and let y'all watch it fully. Let's pay attention. Pump fake. Bow. Wide open. Excellent. This is NBA 2K24, and this is how 2K is going to become. What's this going to do ultimately, and I can see in the future of 2Ks, people are not seeing it now, but I can see it in the future. It's just going to open up different variety shot selection. They're going to find ways to tone up the windows even more and more. Like I said, it's a process. Me being humble and just knowing the truth of things. Some people may not like to hear it fast and not get to the root already, but some things is right in front of your face. It takes a process for them to actually get a game to where we really want it at, what they really are trying to do. They're trying to get to this realistic IRL play style type of game, and this should show y'all it's real. Look at his body is turned around. This should show y'all it's real. There's an actual window in this game. There's some type of computer system that's reading body turned around. You can shoot shot, He gets an auto contest, but it doesn't matter because his body's turned around. They just penalize him off of that, off the rip. Off the rip. Once I hit that shot, and I was like, you know what, I gotta shoot this. Like, I keep getting to this mindset, like, let me shoot this, cause he's really not in a good position. Boom. It's here, people. Do y'all see this? Then I get my heat check, so I already was on a little streak. Do y'all see this? This was like my second 3 this game, I believe. Woo! Stuff like this, I actually be happy with 2K with. This is what will make me get on the game. 2K has never been like this. Even if somebody had their back turned around in the older 2Ks, they could contest you. It's just because they was near you, the intimidator. Like, trust, bro. This is like a real good sign in my mind. Like, okay, they getting to it. There's still stuff that need to be touched, but this is a sign in my mind. Like, yeah, they getting to it. Can't be too mad at them with the game. So right there, boom, we're gonna end it off. We're gonna finish this off, wrap this video up. I hope you guys appreciate this video. Drop a like. More bangers coming soon. I told y'all the gems are coming soon. I have more just skill set videos, getting y'all skills sharpened up. Right here should be it. Right here, like your mind, like if you wasn't like a shooter, like it should just let you know how much is out there, how much is there, you know, what you could really do. And you have to be confident. You gotta do like how it is in real life. You can't just be second guessing and then trying to go do this stuff. You can't. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.